It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I just listed a new property here in Utica. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 45507 Hidden View in Utica. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath brick townhouse condo offers 1,300 plus square feet of modern comfort with a spacious open floor plan, perfect for today's lifestyle. Thoughtfully updated throughout, the home features new custom vinyl and ceramic tile flooring, elegant molding, and fresh professional paint for clean, contemporary feel. The remodeled kitchen is a standout, showcasing sleek slate appliances, refinished cabinetry, and a stylish backsplash. Just off the kitchen, you'll find one of the 2 tastefully updated full bathrooms. Convenient main floor laundry includes a washer, dryer, utility tub, and built-in storage, making day-to-day living a breeze. Prefer single-level living? 1-bedroom and full bathroom are located on the main floor for added flexibility and convenience. Upstairs, unwind in the expansive primary suite featuring a large walk-in closet and a private ensuite bathroom. Your personal retreat at the end of the day. Ideally located just minutes from major highways, shopping, dining, and more. This beautifully maintained condo offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance living. Don't miss your chance to call it home. Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing here in Utica. If you have any questions or want a private viewing, please reach out directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.